case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1980, the Utah Supreme Court heard Western Land Equities Inc. v. City of Logan, a case centered around property owners maintaining their right to build under zoning laws effective at the time of application, even if new laws were later enacted, unless there was a strong reason to disallow it. The dispute began when plaintiffs purchased an 18.53-acre property in Logan, intending to develop a single-family subdivision. Though the property was initially zoned for this purpose, a 1976 ordinance introduced manufacturing zoning. Despite following the required approval processes, the plaintiffs' subdivision plans were ultimately rejected by the City Council and Planning Commission. This decision led the plaintiffs to file a complaint, and the trial court ruled in their favor. The city appealed the decision. The Utah Supreme Court upheld the trial court's ruling, applying the principle of zoning estoppel, which prevents government entities from prohibiting proposed land use when a property owner has reasonably relied on prior governmental acts or omissions. The court found that the city unlawfully withheld approval of the plaintiffs' plans and was estopped from enforcing the zoning change that prevented the plaintiffs from developing their property. This established that property owners have a vested right to develop under prior zoning and that cities cannot retroactively apply new zoning restrictions.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.